Caliber's purpose is to restore customers to the rhythm of their lives.
Because that's why we're here. Back to the rhythm of their lives.
It's like putting the customers before the accident even happened.
That the people are more important than a car that can be replaced. I serve. I serve customers, I serve our teammates.
We're not just here to restore our customers to the rhythm of their lives, we're here to restore our lives and our fellow teammates' lives as well.
We're in the customer service business. First and foremost, we just happen to fix cars.
If you take care of your employees, they'll take care of the customer.
There's no such thing as we're not going to succeed, we're not going to be the best.
Do better each and every day.
Caliber team members are very committed to besting their best.
There's no other company that gives you as much support as Caliber Collision.
We want to be the place that everyone in that community wants to come to work, and we want to be part of the fabric of that community.
It's a hard road to get there, but once we get there, the payoff will be worth it.